Hi there, I'm Andy Hillier, and today I'm going to teach you the new song by Ali Gatie called Say To You. Now this is going to be a really quick video because there's literally 2 bars through the whole thing that we've got to learn, and it's really easy to play as well. While I think of it, if you could subscribe to the channel, which is Andy Hillier, give us a like, and any requests for songs put it in the comment section down below. Okay, so Say To You sounds like this. That's it all the way through the whole song. You can play it on an electric guitar or an acoustic guitar. So let's learn it really easy. First finger E2. I'm using my 3rd finger on G3. I'm doing finger style for this, so I'm playing the E string and then the G string. And then we're going to jump to the next shape, which is your 1st finger on A1, 3rd finger on B2, and you're going to play them both at the same time. And then you're going to play the A string, then the B string, and then the A string. So the first bar goes. And the second bar is really similar, but we go to the 1st finger on E4, 3rd finger on G5. Play one after another, so the E string, and then the G string. And then we're going to play fret 4 on the A string and fret 6 on the B string, playing them at the same time, and then one after the other. So bar 2 slowly goes. So let's play the whole line nice and slowly. Ready, and up to speed. And that's it, that's the whole song. You just got to play that all the way through. Well, hopefully you've enjoyed that quick little lesson of mine. If you have, if you could subscribe to the channel, if you could give me a like on this video, and leave me some comments in the comment section as well. Thanks for watching this. I've been Andy Hillier, and I'll see you next time.